Have you ever wondered what the world looks like up close, under a microscope? Well, scientists have been doing just that, and some of their discoveries are, well, deeply disturbing. Today, we're zooming in on some of the most unsettling things experts have found when they looked at the world from a microscopic perspective. First up, let's talk about the human body. We all know we're made of cells, but have you ever considered what's inside those cells? Under a microscope, researchers have uncovered some truly bizarre things. For example, they've found microscopic parasites thriving in the human gut, tiny organisms that can wreak havoc on our digestive systems. And then there are the viruses, constantly evolving and mutating, always a step ahead of our immune systems. Seeing these things up close can be a bit of a reality check, reminding us how fragile our bodies can be. Moving beyond the human body, the microscopic world of our food is equally fascinating and alarming. Experts have examined food products under the microscope and discovered some shocking ingredients. Processed foods, for example, often contain microscopic additives and preservatives that we're completely unaware of. And then there are the hidden contaminants, like tiny fragments of plastic or pesticides that can find their way into our meals. This microscopic scrutiny raises important questions about the safety and quality of what we eat. But it's not just the human body and our food that are under the microscope. Scientists are also examining the world around us, and their findings are equally disturbing. For instance, they found that plastic pollution is even more pervasive than we thought. Microscopic plastic particles are everywhere in our oceans, our soil, and even the air we breathe. These tiny particles can be ingested by animals and even humans with unknown consequences. It's a sobering reminder of the impact we're having on the environment. So what's the takeaway from all this? The microscopic world is full of wonders, but also hidden dangers. By zooming in and taking a closer look, experts are uncovering things that should make us think twice about the world around us. It's a reminder to be more mindful of what we eat, what we breathe, and the impact we have on our planet. The next time you look at something, remember that there's a whole other world waiting to be discovered just beneath the surface.